ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Thank you so much.
Hagasin kabanungkong ka Meghalaya First Cancer Care Project, Apollo Telemedicine Networking Foundation, Health Department, Kalapanlong ya kajing ay jing sumar siya ki Paidbah hapalaw jong a Seventh-day Adventist Church, Fire Brigade Shillong, haga arpunyo tarik unaylor arhajar arpulay. Haga ni gasngi la examine ru ya ginong pang cancer kibawan siya kani ka mass screening but ka free medical check-up kabalapan Myntoi hado kata-kata ya ki Paidbah.
We have to give this type of service to the people who are less fortunate, less privileged, who cannot afford to go for medical checkup because the cost of medical checkup is very high nowadays. So this type of dedication that the team of doctors have made and this particular state government and Apollo Foundation has made, and it is really appreciable and commendable. And this type of sacrifice that to save humanity is very rare to find.